Hi, Paul Spalding here, the Spalding team, Berkshire Hathaway, Nevada Properties. Today is April 11th, 2020. And looks like we're right in the middle of this pandemic, and looks like we're going to be here for another 30 to 45 days. So things are really strange out there, having to stand in line to go into the stores. Anyway. Let's see what's going on with the real estate market here in Las Vegas. This is the new listings. Okay, so today had this condo here, 918 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 87.5. Park Ridge, it looks like. Just two pictures. And Park Ridge is right up off of the 95 in Charleston. Built in 63, 2 bedrooms. Okay, so that is the lowest priced one today. Let's find out what the highest priced one is today. It looks like this one right here over on Midnight Ridge. 2.95 million, 5,762 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 4-car garage, pool, spa, built in 16. Let's see what it looks like. Ah, look at that. That's nice. Nice picture. Contemporary house. Open the outdoor to the indoor, or the indoor to the outdoor, whichever way you like to look at it. Pretty nice house. Nice closet, lots of room. Oops. And that is right off Marble Ridge there. Okay, looking good. Then we have yesterday. Lowest price is a little condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, hacienda. Like an upstairs unit. Nicely refurbished, new flooring, paint, clean kitchen, looks like Formica countertop. Besides that, nice little unit for only $110,000. Over here in Henderson, near Whitney. Okay, so that was yesterday. Let's see what the highest priced one yesterday was. Quite a few properties came on the market the last couple of days. So on Darby, $2 million, 6,650 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 7 baths, 5-car garage, brand new. Looking pretty nice. $2 million. All right, and Friday. Yesterday was Friday. Thursday, looks like we had a few of them come on the market. Nice little condo here. Paradise Spa off of Las Vegas Boulevard. Highest priced on City View Ridge, 5.5 million, 7,900 square feet, built in 16. Look at that. Pretty nice. Look at that view. Alright, so let's see what has gone into contract. Just in the last few days. Yeah, looks like it's just scattered all over the place. No hot spots to speak of. A lot of cluster over here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. Okay. These are the no-shows. Some more clusters here and there, but pretty around everywhere. Okay, so sold just recently, 327 just sold. This one was just reported today. Nice little condo, looks like it's just been refurbished. And Geary. Las Vegas Country Club. Okay. And then yesterday, oh, nice little house there. Looks like it's kind of messy. Tear down. 69,000. Out in Ely. Okay, way out there. Pictures there. That one sold 111,000. Where is it? Rainbow in Washington. Okay. These were all closed yesterday. Cherrydale Falls. '55 plus Anthem Country Club. I mean Anthem, Sun City Anthem. Got a pool, spa, and a view. What else could you ask for? Cherrydale Falls. Right there at the end. That's interesting. Okay. Well, that is what we got going on today. And guess I'll talk to you the first part of the week. I don't know if I'll be in here on Monday or Tuesday, but I'll give you an update first part of the week and show you what we got going on. So have a happy Easter and be safe and healthy. Bye-bye.